Now, the government has assured the local auto industry of a market for vehicles provided they amp production to meet the growing demand in the country. Industrialization Cabinet Secretary Maina says vehicle assemblers are only working at 30% production capacity, which is below par, and her ministry is keen to prioritize support and incentives to enhance their competitiveness. You can find this story and others on our website at kbc.co.ke. Coming up next is the Forex market report, and later on the NSE to see how the shares have been trading against, or rather have been performing at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Later on, Karen Kibet will be coming up with a sports update.
The auto industry in Kenya has the capacity to produce over 34,000 vehicles annually, which is enough to satisfy the local vehicle demand. However, the assembly plants are currently making 10,000 vehicles in what is blamed on low demand for new vehicles and a high appetite among Kenyans to import second-hand vehicles. To address this, Industrialization Cabinet Secretary Maina is assuring the auto industry of support, provided they reciprocate by investing in full automotive manufacturing plants.
So the more we buy from each other, the more we reduce demand for imported products, because we have trust that Kenya's products meet the right quality and meet us at the right price point.
She further says efforts by various industry players need to be bolstered towards reviving the manufacturing sector in Kenya in order to move it away from an over-reliance on imports.
You have adopted the framework that would help us eliminate used vehicles in Kenya, in that sliding framework. We have also created a market for you through the Buy Kenya, Build Kenya policy.
The assemblers have committed to ensure production of high-quality motor vehicles, as well as creating more jobs and value in Kenya.
We have a well-equipped workshops, trained staff with latest technology, technicians who regularly receive specialized training.
Reporting for Prime Edition, my name is Hibak Said.